Now, weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, here's a look at the wintry mess and how it has unfolded since late this afternoon. It started with sleet, then it changed to snow, then it changed to maybe a little sleet before changing completely over to rain and freezing rain. And that's what we're finding right now across the area. In terms of snowfall amounts, generally under an inch. The higher snow accumulations really range from about Ava and Douglas County, maybe as far south as Gainesville and Ozark County, north through Lebanon, and then along the Highway 54 corridor closer to central Missouri. That's where we had the bigger snowfall totals, if you will, and that's where roads are covered by snow at this time. Temperatures right now a little below freezing to the north. You can see here in Springfield 35. I've been watching the numbers here at the TV station. We never got below 33 degrees. In fact, temperatures have slowly risen over the last hour or two, now back up to 35 degrees. That's why we're just looking at rain here in Springfield. But there are areas where there is ice occurring, where temperatures have been hovering right around the freezing mark. So here's a bit of a radar tour for you. Still looking at some lingering light snow in areas from Osceola north through Clinton and east across Warsaw. Some more light accumulations here, I think, over the next few hours. Areas further southeast, still looking at some light freezing rain in places maybe like Marshfield, over through Mountain Grove, Licking, where temperatures right around the freezing mark, and maybe looking at as much as 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation, maybe even a little bit more in some of these areas, including maybe Ava east across eastern Douglas County, where there's a report of very slick road conditions. Also a report of very slick road conditions across parts of Phelps County near Rolla. Further southwest, though, this is where the ice has been a bigger issue, because in those higher elevations where temperatures have been persistently at or below freezing, and we've had light to moderate rain with some thunder and lightning moving through, we've seen some significant ice accumulations. For an ice storm warning, the expectation is at least 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation, and we have seen that in and around areas like Harrison, Lead Hill, and Peel, where there are power outages. In fact, last check on the Energy website out of Arkansas indicates that over 1,500 residents without power in those areas, and it will likely worsen before it gets better. In addition to that, also some at least spotty tree damage. I had also a report from one of the weather watchers out of Harrison of transformers blowing off in the distance. So that's an indication that probably a few more customers are now without power in those areas. Now, as far as the forecast, what we will find is the heavier precipitation moving out as we slip through midnight tonight. What will be falling in the wake of that is maybe a little light snow to the northwest, but for most of us, it'll probably just be some lingering drizzle or freezing drizzle. And then at sunrise tomorrow, we're also going to have to watch out for fog along with that drizzle. The clouds will try to clear out of southern Missouri and northern Arkansas tomorrow afternoon, but I think areas further north, it's going to be a tough job to do that, and we'll likely hold on to clouds and colder temperatures too as a result. So expectations tonight here in Springfield, just some rain or drizzle from here on out, but there will be patchy areas of freezing rain outside of Springfield. Fog also a possibility that could reduce visibilities. As far as road conditions, certainly to the north, roads are slick, and there are going to be patches of slick road conditions further south across southern Missouri into northwest and north central areas of Arkansas. Thursday, partly sunny, 46, 48 on Friday. Next storm comes through on Saturday. Scattered showers, maybe even some thunderstorms. And it looks like we could see some afternoon sun pushing temperatures into the low 60s. So a nice reversal in seasons over the next several days.
And a very active week ahead of us as well. What is our Viewers Club number tonight?
That number tonight is 235-680. Our jackpot, $400.
All right, Jamie, thanks.